New tonight, the future of home and business insurance remains uncertain in California due to wildfire risk.
Action News Now reporter Bea Barbosa shows us how your fire risk score could make or break it could be when it comes to cost and renewal decisions.
My gosh, there's going to be a lot of people affected by this.
Brian Bickley moved to Paradise from Magalia 2.5 years ago. He and his wife built their home here, and soon after struggled to find home insurance.
Heard stories from other people that they were paying a tremendous amount of money. In fact, the lowest rate I could find at the time was about $5,000 a year, which was a real shocker.
Nearly 2 years later, he received a letter notifying him his insurance was being canceled.
Because I had a wildfire assessment score of 3. But when I got the insurance, my wildfire assessment score was 3 when they approved the insurance. Not sure what the discrepancy is.
Bickley says he's confused by the cancellation because of all the work he has done to protect his home from a fire.
We have a sprinkler system with an alarm system on the side of the house. We also, as I said, we have a fire hydrant right on the corner. My fire department is 0.9 miles away. I added the 5-foot barrier around the whole house with gravel.
So what exactly is a fire score? Well, it's a number that several insurance companies are increasingly using to determine a home's fire risk. Bickley's insurance uses a tool called Fireline, created by data analytics company Verisk. A home score, which can range from 0 to 30, is based on an assessment of vegetative fuels, slope, and road access. I reached out to Horace Mann, Bickley's insurance company, asking what Fireline scores they will insure a home for. They responded with a statement that reads in part, quote, "Insurability decisions are guided by a combination of property characteristics, risk evaluation, and broader insurance market conditions."
Bickley says he didn't even know what a Fireline score was and had a hard time getting a hold of the assessment for his home. So he wants to let other people know that they might have a score for their home too.
I just really want others to be aware of what I've gone through and double check their insurance policies, because you might get a call saying they're canceling. You might want to have plan B in place.
Bickley disagrees with the score assigned to his home, saying the slope near his home is 0.3%, his home is surrounded by gravel, and on a corner of 2 paved roads. In Paradise, Bea Barbosa, Action News Now.
Bickley has secured insurance with a different company at a much higher cost. Last year, the California Department of Insurance started to require insurance companies that use catastrophe modeling or factor in reinsurance costs in their rate filings to write at least 85% of their statewide market share in wildfire distressed areas. Butte County is one of nearly 30 counties in that category.